Hi. Let's learn about Maquiladora definition, history, benefits, and worker exploitation. The main subject is the Maquiladora system in Mexico. A maquiladora is a factory located in Mexico and owned and run by a foreign entity. These facilities usually operate near the U.S. Mexico border and assemble products for export beyond the Mexican border. The maquiladora system was established to stimulate the domestic market and attract foreign investment. The parent company is located in the United States while the manufacturing operation or factory is located in Mexico. These factories qualify for unlimited foreign capital investment and duty-free imports. Maquiladoras provide economic benefits by boosting the local economy and providing a source of labor for locals. Companies can take advantage of lower costs, tax benefits, and access to a larger and cheaper labor pool, especially in border towns with high unemployment rates. Despite the economic benefits, maquiladoras have faced criticism for exploiting their labor force. Workers are often paid low wages, work in unsafe conditions, and lack representation. American border and migrant policies also contribute to the exploitation of non-Mexican workers seeking employment in these facilities. The maquiladora system was created to address the high rates of unemployment after the end of the Bracero program. The creation of the North American Free Trade Agreement in 1994 led to a significant increase in the number of maquiladoras and a boost in economic growth for Mexico. Maquiladoras have employed millions of workers, helping them transition from unskilled to skilled workers. These facilities also contribute significantly to Mexico's exports to the United States. While there may be cases of unsafe working conditions or low wages, maquiladoras don't have the same reputation as sweatshops. They provide workers with a living wage and safer working conditions. Although maquiladoras can be located anywhere in Mexico, they are generally found along the border of the United States and Mexico. Border cities and states in Mexico benefit from the creation of maquiladoras, as well as American companies that benefit from cheaper labor costs and reduced production costs. A maquiladora is a low-cost factory in Mexico that is owned by a foreign corporation. Facilities are usually located near the U.S. Mexico border. These plants assemble products and export them back to the United States and other countries. Companies can capitalize on a cheaper labor force in Mexico and certain tax advantages under the North American Free Trade Agreement, the USMCA, and the IMEX program. Despite the benefits, maquiladoras have come under fire because of the way they exploit their labor force. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. A maquiladora is a low-cost factory in Mexico that is owned by a foreign corporation. 2. Facilities are usually located near the U.S. Mexico border. 3. These plants assemble products and export them back to the United States and other countries. 4. Companies can capitalize on a cheaper labor force in Mexico and certain tax advantages under the North American Free Trade Agreement, the USMCA, and the IMEX program. 5. Despite the benefits, maquiladoras have come under fire because of the way they exploit their labor force. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.